Good morning. Stunning day today. We are going to Forvie Nature Reserve. We're away for a wee walk round there. Today's walk we are doing a circular path at Forvie Nature Reserve. Now, we left the centre and we're going down this path. We're going to be doing a circular path to Hackley Bay. I can see Benny. Such a clear day, you can see for miles today. Jasper enjoying the walk.
Four degrees today.
4 degrees.
Covered in frost this morning.
Well, it's still February. There's rice on the loch. You just know spring is coming when you hear the birds singing all the time. After a wrong turn, we are back on the right path. We're on a sandy path now. Now, seemingly, this bit of water here is called Coast Guard's Pool. Coast Guard's Pool. Now, I've no idea why. But there must be a reason. Oh, I see a dog. Right there in the distance is Aberdeen, the granite city. There's the windmills you see just off Aberdeen. Just coming around here, the sun is just hitting the sea just now. Beautiful. What a calm sea.
The windmills are Harvard done.
No. Let's zoom in the windmills. A bit shaky. We are going to Hackley Bay, did you say?
Right.
A little cove. Wonder what stories this cove could tell. of pirates and bandits. Ships lost at sea. And we are going up this path. Hackley Bay. And we're going way down onto it, following steps that's across here. There's Colston in the distance. That's us round the other side of the bay. There's the sign for the steps. We'll be going down in a minute, but we're just going away to have a wee look up here. Oh, is it? Can you see anything up there? Oh, I found the steps. There's the steps.
Hackley Bay. Beautiful morning, no wind, brilliant temperature. Doing the steps, waiting to see them for the sun. Beautiful place to be. Right at my doorstep, but yet rugged. Speaking about rugged,
We have come down the steps here from the top. The sun's shining here. Now, this is Hackley Bay. And there is Jasper rumbling. So peaceful here. So peaceful. That's not the stick that I threw. Jasper, where's the stick? That's it, come on in. Jas, sweetie. Glorious day. I bet this beach could tell a few stories as well, Ian. Now to find the steps to go back up. Jasper, where do we go? Ooh, nearly. There we go, there's the steps. The last part of the route It's along this path into Colliston and then back to the car, which is over here somewhere. Okay, so we've come from away over here, walking along the coast. You can't help but look at the sea, can you? Can't help but look. Over there's Norway, somewhere. Now, here's Colliston. We're going just along that path and we'll come out beside the White House down there. First of all, we have to go through this gate. Ian's already through with Jasper. We had a wee look at Colliston Harbour and now we're coming away back down this road here to the car. Ian, how's your walk been so far?
Brilliant, because you never regret a walk.
No, you never regret a walk. It's been a great day for it. That's us coming back to the car, back to the Forvie Centre. When we left, we went down that way. And coming back, oh, too fast. We came up here. There's Colliston down there. It's a bit windier. Windmills are going.